Do you want to know the secret behind FC Motivate and Simple Sports' viral football videos? Then watch this video to the end. In this video, I'll show you an easy way to create viral videos like theirs, attract thousands of football fans, and make money from your passion. All you need is CapCut and a few AI tools that I've listed in the description. Don't miss this chance, let's get started. The first step is to develop an idea and write a script for your video. You can look at viral videos from other big channels on the same topic to avoid running out of ideas. You can also use ChatGPT to find topics and write scripts for your videos. I'll show you how to combine both methods by using viral video scripts as references, and then using ChatGPT to rewrite them into something more interesting. Now, open YouTube and search for Simple Sports. Right-click on a video with many views and select Copy Link. Next, use downsub.com to download the video's subtitles. Then, copy the subtitles and ask ChatGPT to create a different version with the same length. Now you have a script for a viral video. If possible, I recommend reading and editing it to fit your style and create your personal touch. If you're not familiar with English, don't worry. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the script in a language you're comfortable with. The next step is to generate visuals for the video. Now copy the script you just created, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to generate prompts for Leonardo AI to create images. Subsequently, you can go to Leonardo AI and convert those prompts into images, but the issue is that Leonardo AI stops generating high-quality AI images after 3 attempts, which is quite frustrating. I will guide you on how to use Shaker AI. Go to shaker.ai and select the AI generator. Now copy a prompt and paste it here, then click Generate. Next up, let's give our script a voice. You could record your own voice or use something like 11 Labs. But if you're just starting out and maybe a little short on cash like me, don't worry. I've got a totally free tool for you. Just open your browser and search for Clipchamp, then sign up and start a new video. Click the record button, then create and select text-to-speech, and pick any voice you like. Copy your script, paste it in. Finally, hit save and let Clipchamp do its thing.
Have you ever wondered why Messi keeps a respectful distance when taking photos with female fans?
After that, click Export, choose 1080p, and you're done. You've just created a voiceover for your video. Now open CapCut and import your audio. Then carefully cut out all the pauses to make it faster paced. Next, you can import the images we created and drag each one onto the timeline. To make the video more dynamic, add other short video clips. I'll put links in the description. Now, add some animations to the images. Click on Animations and choose a combo, then carefully select the best animations. Finally, we need to add subtitles to the video. Just highlight all the voiceovers and create a composite clip. Then click on the text and select Auto-Generate Subtitles. Now highlight the text and drag it to the center to make it stand out. Click on Template. Choose any template you like. Then click on Effects and add Black Flash. And this time click on Sound and search for Whoosh. Then add the whoosh sound effect. After that, click on Audio and add any background music you like to the video. Alright, let's see the result.
Have you ever wondered why Messi keeps a respectful distance when taking photos with female fans? Fans worldwide have observed that while Messi maintains a regular pose with male fans, he stands slightly apart when posing with women. When asked about this, Messi explained that he values being respectful toward women and is mindful of how even a harmless photo could be misinterpreted. He cherishes his family life and takes care to ensure nothing disrupts the happiness he shares with them.
Now you know how to create an engaging video about football players using AI. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss other cool tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, good luck, and see you in the next videos.